Why did you open this video when I clearly asked you not to open it? Do you want to know why you clicked this video? This act of yours tells a lot about your personality. For example, you are a curious person, which means you want to know about different things. You have an eagerness to learn new things. And this is also a human psychology. We most of the times do those things which are clearly asked not to do. Why do we do this? Because we just want to know what will happen if we do this. Just because of our curiosity. This curiosity is a fundamental part of human nature. It drives us to explore the unknown and seek out new experiences. So, the next time you find yourself drawn to something you were told to avoid, remember that it's just your innate curiosity pushing you to learn and grow. Embrace it, as it can lead to wonderful discoveries and insights about yourself and the world around you.